Hello guys, please welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the top 5 best editing apps you can find and use on your phone. I would like to state categorically that the apps that I'm about to review to you are legitimate apps. I am not affiliated to any of them. These are the apps that I use in editing my videos on phone, as I've not been privileged enough to have access to the laptop. I would also encourage that you stay to the end of this particular video, because at the end I'm going to show you the best of all the apps that I'm about to reveal onto you. And the last app on this list is actually the app I use in editing this video that you are watching right now. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you are new as we dive into this quickly. The first on this list, in no particular order, we've got VN Editor. This is how it looks once you've opened it up. And for you to start a new project, you need to tap into this plus option. This page will be revealed onto you. Click on new project to begin a new setup project. Select the video that you want to edit by tapping on it this way, and if there are two, tap the second one in addition, and then click onto this option. So here you go. This is a video that you have uploaded onto this app to be edited, and right here is the end of each and every one of the video. You can decide to click the plus option to select the transition that you want. So you can decide to select a transition that will be able to match the two videos together for you, and then for it to be quick enough, you need to reduce the duration a bit this way. There you go. And on top of the projects that you are currently editing, you've got the peep or sticker option. With the peep, you actually going to add, for example, a subscription button onto your video. So when you tap onto it this way, and you need to add a subscription button, you can tap onto your green screen subscription button that you have already got in your library. And once it pop up this way, move the down options this way, and then click on chroma. Once you are done, you need to take off the green pigment completely, and once you are done with that, the subscription button is going to be added onto this particular video. You can actually decide to close it a bit and make it a bit smaller, and then position it to the particular spot that you want to have it in your video. Once you are done, tap on any particular place or space on your phone to move on. You can tap onto this particular option to undo anything that you have done and not interested. You can tap onto this particular option to add subtitle to your video, or the top option to add music. So the music can actually be a music from your phone, or a sound effect from the app itself, or record a voice note if you want. You can actually increase the speed of each particular footage by tapping on the footage this way, and then tapping the speed limit. You can increase each particular spot that you want to increase the speed by going through all the video sections this way. Once you are done and you think your video is fully edited, tap onto this option to save the video in the particular resolution that you prefer. The fourth app on this list is actually called Videolip. And I must indicate that all these apps have actually got the pro version. If you are okay with the particular one that you think you enjoy or get used to quickly, you can actually upgrade. But then again, all of them keep bringing up the upgrade option for you to click on it. If you are not interested, tap onto this cancel option and sign up to enjoy your editing. Right here, just like the first one that I've shown you, you tap onto this particular list to add videos that you want to edit. You can decide to add 2 or more at once. And then right here, once the video has been successfully added onto your editing platform, the first option beneath is actually canvas. Right here, you can decide the frame that you want for your project, be it YouTube, that is going to be 16:9. Moving on, we've got Mesa, and with this you can be able to add peep or videos on top of your current video that you are actually editing right now. You can add text by tapping on this particular text option or sticker. The sticker could be your logo or any particular logo that you are working on or showing off in your video that you want your audience to see. We've got the audio being music. You can decide to add music into your video by tapping on it. Again, it has got a music that you can add from your phone, sound effect from the app, and then a voice over. The next element is actually filters. With a filter, you can decide to add a particular filter to the video that you are editing, and that is going to brighten it up to the level that you prefer. If you are not okay with anything that you have done, click on the undo option to undo that. I think this is very simple. And another thing that is very unique about this particular app is it exports your content or project in up to 4K resolution, and the speed is superb. Moving on to the third spot, we have got splash. This is how it pops out. Tap on this plus option to begin a new project, and then select the videos that you want to add. Once you are done with the addition, you are automatically asked to select the particular frame that you want or ratio that you want for your video. Be it YouTube videos, you can decide to select the YouTube standard or windscreen depending on the particular project of your choice. Tap on create, and then here again the pro version is actually being forced onto you. You can decide to tap on this cancel option to move on. Once you are done with that, the video is taken onto your editing timeline. Right here you've got additional media to add another video if you want, and then text effect being a filter that you want to add or change the look of your video. Music is also allowed here. You can decide to add any music of your choice, which you can import from your library or make use of these music that are available in their platform. You've got a subtitle which will help you to add captions to your video automatically, and then an overlay. Right here you can decide to add a subscription button or a B-roll video onto this particular video by tapping on the overlay. So right here I've added a subscription video onto this particular project of mine, and once you've got the green screen video being added, you can tap on the chroma key right here to remove the green pigment completely from your subscription button. You can decide to move this to the particular position that you want or reduce the size of it if you think it is looking so big enough for you. Once you are not okay with anything and want to redo that, tap on this option to undo that particular action. On the second spot, we've actually got CapCut. This is how it looks once you've opened it up. You tap on this particular option to select the new project of your choice, and right here bring in the footage of yours. Next to continue. Just like other editors, you've got similar effects. The text, audios are always available, and then the overlay. The overlay is similar to chroma in other apps. You got filter to make your video look unique to your preference, and all these are free, I must say that. And right here you've got format, where you select the particular format you want for your video, be it a YouTube standard video that is 16:9, and once the video has been shot in that particular frame, you do not need to do this particular assignment. You can actually adjust the brightness and all that of your video. Now, to cut any particular portion in your video that you do not like, you need to position the cursor into any particular spot that you want to trim, and then click on edit, and then tap split. That is going to divide the video, and once you want to have a particular spot taken out of your video, move on to the end of where you want the video to begin from, and then split that. Once you are done, you've got that particular spot left in the middle. Tap on it to add transitions or delete that particular spot out by clicking on it this way and then tapping on the delete option. Or you can decide to move the last portion of the video this way to meet up with the starting point of your next transition. Once you are done and ready to save your project, CapCut has actually got a logo showing at the end of their videos. You can tap on it this way to remove that from your video if you do not want that, or you want to add your own logo. And then before saving the video, here you can have the video saved into 1080p or 2 to 4K. And once you are done with that, tap on this spot to export your video. The speed is actually top notch. Moving on to the last and the best app on this particular list is called Inshort. I've been using Inshort for quite some time now, and it is actually what I use in editing this particular video that you are watching right now. This is how the front look like. Tap on the video to select a project that you want to work on, and then you've got drafts of projects that you have worked on being stored here. Tap on the new spot to select a new project that you want to work on, and here you go. You've selected the video. You can decide to select a good number of them together and then move on. Right here you've got the Inshort logo being shown in your video. You can tap on it to remove for free. Right here you've got your footage ready to be edited. Underneath here, this is your footage, and any particular spot that you want to trim out, you can just move this particular option this way and then split. If you want to split into a particular end, you can just move to the particular end that you want to start from and then split again. That is going to leave this one all alone, and you can edit by tapping on the delete option. You can link the two videos together by tapping on this transition and select the one that you think fit for your project. You can make the duration look a bit simple and short. You can add music, and one thing that I so much like about Inshort is you can actually add music from a video, that is by extracting the audio from a particular video that you love the music to be taken from. You can add effects, text, or even stickers. You've got interesting filters available, ranging from story, natural, warm, dew, and then to pink. You can tap on the peep option to add a subscription button to your video. By doing that, once you've added a green screen that you have stored onto your phone, tap on the chroma option to edit the pigment out of the video. Move it to the particular spot that you want, and that is going to play over your video as it goes. You've got the speed and the volume of the video can actually be adjusted using the volume option right here, and it transports straight up to 4K. And that is one unique thing I've loved so much about this app and all other apps that I've shown you in this particular video. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to my channel also for this important lesson if you find it very interesting. As I come your way always, have a great day.